Alright, so Amelia, do you know what kind of carburetor this is?
Oh, it's like the brand, or
Yeah.
It's a Weber.
It's a Weber. It's a 3838 is what it's called. We've never done one of these, so this will be new for all of us.
Oh, with the angle down. No, I never said I was the smartest cookie. Or the strongest.
Meals, what you doing?
I'm taking apart the carburetor from my car.
Your Jeep?
Yeah. And so it's a carburetor we don't normally do, so it's gonna be an experience. I'm putting the gasket thing on.
You're assembling your own Jeep carburetor. Can you get to that one back there? I can get to it if you can.
Might have to go the other way.
Yep, give me that one. I'll do that one. Keep it going. Alright, let go of the gas. Take your foot off.
Yeah, it feels like a completely different vehicle. And all it was the carburetor, brakes, and kickback.
That's it. Alright, done it. All the way.
What?
That didn't even kick down.
No?
Push it all the way to the floor. Hard. There it is.
Jesus!
So I adjusted the kick down to your transmission so it'll drop you into a lower gear so you can pass somebody.
I promise I won't misuse this. I love it.
It's good?
Yeah.